Test, test. What's up? What's up? Let's see. Tesla, come on down, baby. I have my alert. I'm trying to get in under 789. I've already traded this morning, so I'm being patient. Don't want to be greedy. It's a Friday. Let's see. See what else we got. GME. Let's go, GME. Push, baby. What's up, Joshua? Stosies, baby. Good morning. You got that little coffee here. This is a plus and a minus. When the trades go against you, your coffee will get you anxious. I promise you. Let's see, let's go, let's go. See how NQ's doing. See, this is what we said, be very careful. Watch the NASDAQ. I know we had a push up here headed into Friday, but now we're pulling back. This is definitely going to bring tech stocks such as Apple, which is pulling back, Facebook, which is down, Amazon coming down, Netflix, and my favorite stonk of all, Tesla. Come on down under 789. I'll day trade you. Oh, even load the shares more if it hits 762, but I doubt it'll hit. I doubt it'll hit 762 today. Even if we get around 778, I'll still find the trade there. I'm naked. What's up? What's up, Daryl? See naked. Yeah, I'll avoid naked. Honestly, I don't see a play there. It's barcoding. AMC still flat. I'm waiting to add like a lot of shares on AMC. I just feel like if I get in here like a 560s, it's gonna pull back a little bit more, maybe $5. So I'm being very patient on that one for sure. See Tesla. How many shares should we buy of Tesla if it comes on down? Let's do. Let's do increments of 10. So. Did you guys hear about Kathy Wood buying some PLTR? There's a news updates on that. That's why it's gapping up pre-market. It's moving up pre-market and it shot up to $28. This one's a dead cat bounce. It's been rejected off the EMA here. Now we're above EMA. If it closes like at 27, I might swing some shares. As well as Walmart. I know I have 10 shares. I'm down $15 on that one. Look at this. It's trying to hold that previous support here. Last time it hit that support level was like November 1, November 2. So we're expecting to bounce back up above EMA as well. Let's see if we can get back to the 150s on Walmart. Would you mind if I spread your Discord to some friends? I'll go for Joshua. There should be a link somewhere. Let me see. Let me get you a link. Yeah, we have a free Discord, guys. If you guys aren't in there, here's a link. What? 'Cause, 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 Free. Walmart CCIV, it's still back up right around 64. I feel like I'd be chasing it at this price. Keep in mind, those who bought around 15 bucks, 20 bucks, it was still all a rumor at that point. So I don't blame you guys if you guys didn't feel comfortable trading this. Tesla is finally on the 4-hour, creeping above the EMA. I wouldn't necessarily still trust it. Overall market's pulling back, and look at the last time we had a move above EMA, it came right back down. So patience on this one. Bitcoin hit 53, right? Bitcoin hit 53,000. Damn, man. Did you guys buy Bitcoin when it was like at 2,000? Because I had some Bitcoin at 2,000 and I just sold. Yeah, what's up, Miguel? That's my long lost brother right there, Castaneda. Walmart sideways right now as well as SPY. Yeah, that's why I kind of didn't want to size. There's Tesla coming down. Come on down, baby. That's why I didn't want to size in too well on Walmart. I didn't want to get a bigger position. I think it might have a little bit more room to pull back. Nope, there's Tesla. It's falling. All right. See how it looks on the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, usually I wait to see how far it is from the EMA, guys. So the EMA here on the 5 minutes is 793. The farther it pulls back under the EMA, the more chance for profit. So even just like here yesterday, look, take a look at yesterday Tesla at market open. See how it peaked up to like 793? I would not have chased it up here. I wouldn't even have been comfortable dip buying it right around 784. Why? It's still above the EMA on the 5-minute. I'd wait for it to pull back under 776. This is where we would have bought it, but I had to go to the darn restroom. And look at this. It bounced right back up all the way to 793 in a short amount of time. So I wait usually till it's under EMA. Here it comes. I don't know why it see, I don't know why it does this. It resets the shares to like 25. I don't want to buy 1,000 shares. Alright, see, it's coming down. Let's give it more room to breathe. Let's do 5 shares increments. Alright. Let's see. It might come down even more to like 786. Yeah, I've been struggling to day trade Tesla for a while. I had one of the craziest months last month on Tesla, but since it's fallen back, the Bitcoin investment, Lucid Motors news, all of that, it's been really kind of hard to day trade it. See, it would have been good to buy 10 shares here. Now it's bouncing. How does that look on the 5-minute? 793. You may see on the 5-minute. See. See, that would have been well with 10 shares. Do I want to sell or no? Canon key reverse. He's getting rejected on the EMA on the 1-minute. I think there might be some more room to come down. Let's just sell it. It's in a rocket watch. Every time I sell, oop, oh, look, I sold perfectly. Now I want to wait for more room for more downside. Damn, it's coming back down. Let's get in again. Brian, I'm trading shares. People do this as well with options, but personally I got burned with options in the past on SPY puts and SPY calls. So I tend to avoid them. SPY's, see, SPY's trying to creep above EMA. Same thing. ES, which is S&P 500 mini. Let's see. Okay, EMA is still at 792. I think it's time for a rebound, but should I want to play? Let's do. No, I'm gonna be patient. It's Friday. Fridays are usually pretty bad. Let's see. No, Brian. I'm doing shares. Oh, there's the bounce. There's that small bounce. 5 on the 5 minute. It could probably reach that bounce right here. Could probably hit 792 right now. Watch. Look at this. It's happening, baby. Can it hit 792? I'm new to trading. Everything I've done, I've learned from videos. I'm active duty, so never really have to. Thank you for your service, but that's perfect. New to trading, everything is literally free on YouTube. But it's about to hit 792. Come on, baby, 792. But my experience is just always losing money. That's just always been how I've learned the hard way, losing money. Because when you lose your hard-earned money, that lesson stays with you. That pain really changes you. It makes you really want to focus and find a strategy. Look, it hit 792.40. Literally what we just predicted right now. That bounce right there. I should have got in, but I didn't. But, oh well. So now we wait. Is it going to keep getting rejected here? Look, we had the high here at 796. Lower high at 794, rejected, and look right now, the same pattern, 792. Will it get rejected here, or is it going to come on back up? I think AMC will hit 6 today. AMC needs some volume, needs some momentum. I think the next big catalyst is the opening of their theaters. I think that's what's really going to rocket it back up. Or just like another coordinated buy that they had on Tuesday, right? The 2 million Tuesday. I didn't really understand that. Can someone explain that? Was it 2 million people buying or 2 million in volume? I didn't understand that, but it gapped up. Tesla. For those wondering, this is Think or Swim. So this is broker TD Ameritrade, and they have their platform Think or Swim. My favorite. I've tried E-Trade. I might consider even opening up another one with interactive brokers, just because I've heard a lot of good things about them. But I kind of love Think or Swim. So now we're waiting to see some confirmation. Will Tesla come back up to 794? Now we wait. It's a lot of patience with trading. See how GME is doing. Still trying to. Let's get GME back to like 50 bucks. That's where it should be holding some support. Right around 50 bucks. We're down. We were down like 400 bucks on our position since open. There's Tesla trying to hold some support. Is it gonna get rejected? We'll see. See how CCIV is doing. Not the best. Neo. Look at that drop yesterday on Neo. So these are the opportunities I like and I wait for. These drops. I mean, if you could get in like you don't have to time the bottom perfectly at 52.60. If you could get in like at 53, a couple shares and just swing it, you'd be at 55 right now. Xpeng, another EV company. Now looking the strongest on the 4-hour. Yeah, Walmart. I'm waiting for this one. Waiting for this bad boy, guys. Look, technicals. I'm 80% technical trader. Even just like with the whole Hertz situation when they went bankrupt and the stock flew up, it doesn't make any sense. So that's why I like trading what I see. What you see is what you get. So even the last November, the Walmart pulled back from like 146. And it bounced off of 137 early November all the way to 157. What is this? They had earnings too. That I don't like playing earnings. I don't like holding into earnings. I think earnings is a gamble. I like playing the hype into it. Usually stocks run headed into earnings. Apple was a perfect example. Where are their earnings? When did they have earnings? Does it show here? Why is it not showing? Daily? It's weird. But they had earnings and they rallied all the way into earnings. Tesla was another one we were trying to play, but we didn't really get that rally until like the last, I think 2 days prior to their earnings, right around here. Look at this. it was pulling back, and then it just immediately shot up. So I just like playing the momentum into that. So Walmart had earnings and it bounced off of that 137 level, but we got in at 139, which we're still kind of down. So this is exactly what we're playing, the dead cat bounce. Let's wait for a break above and see if we could hit 142. Same thing with Alibaba. When Mr. Ma went missing, Mr. Jack Ma, look at this gap down. This is beautiful. This is just plain out panic. You want to be buying when people are panicking. People are selling everything, you want to get in. And just like cannabis, man, we were holding sundial. When everyone's buying, you want to be selling. So I took my profits, what was it, like close to $4. Look at sundial now, 128. Still under EMA. I still want to get in on sundial. What price? Maybe back to the original price I got in at, 80 cents. We were trading this back at 50 cents last year. But our price target was like $1. So I took profits like at 80 cents. And I rebought back 80 cents like a month later. And when your price target is $1.50 to $2, and you wake up, these stocks are trending on Wall Street bets, and you see $4, you take your money. You don't look back. Let's see, Mr. Tsla. Not looking strong still, guys. Look at this. Remember I told you guys, like, usually a test the EMA on the 5-minute, and it either breaks above or gets rejected, and it comes back on down. It's still struggling to break above, so I might be wrong. Let's see. FRX. Oh, interesting. What is this? Forest Road Laboratories. Did they just like IPO recently? Looks like it. I don't know what this company does actually. Can someone explain? FRX. Let's see. It's a pharmaceutical company. I'd be very careful. SPAC. Oh, fitness sector. Wait, what? It's a SPAC, yeah, with Shaquille O'Neal. A Disney, except. A Disney. Oh, you guys, can you guys still hear? You guys have connection? I don't know what happened. Think the Fed is after us or something. Let's see. Tesla, come on down, baby. Wheat stocks won't go down. Wheat stocks won't go down. Yeah, too many people took profits on wheat stocks. Wheat stocks won't go down. Actually, that might be an interesting play. With the whole SPAC hype going up right now, it being at $15, I kind of get that CCIV vibes when it was like at that price. Look at it now. Like, it keeps on going up. I'd be interested. Set an alert on this one. I'd possibly, maybe might be interested in just, this is like a lottery play for me. A YOLO play. So this is money probably I can't afford to lose. So I'd probably get in this price range. 12.50. I don't want to chase it up here at $15, $16. I don't feel comfortable. I don't think it's a smart play. Yeah, OG has another cannabis stock. What's your guys' favorite cannabis stock, guys? Mine was Sundial. Just because I know people gravitate towards cheaper shares, cheaper stocks, they could accumulate more shares and whatnot. And this was the first stock I took a look at when I was researching cannabis stocks. OGI. Yeah, see how they all have the same pattern? They're all under like the 4-hour EMA here. Under 4-hour EMA. Hexo's another one. I'm trying to think at the top of my head. Hexo. ACB. APHA. Let's see. See, trading is all about patience. Waiting for the right moment to strike. It's like you're a sniper. I got into FRX at 11 bucks. Nice. I bought more now at 12. So even, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so just take everything with a grain of salt, just for entertainment purposes only. All my opinion. Oh, did it just hit 17? I thought it was at 15 like a minute ago. 17. See, if I was you, Brad, I'd lock in half of my profits here. I mean, it's bound to come back down to test some support. Let's see where the 5-minute EMA is at. It's at 15 bucks, the EMA. I'd lock in half of the profits. I don't know your risk tolerance. Everyone has different risk tolerance. I'm holding 40 shares of APHA at 19. But I mean, it just went up like $1, like a minute. I don't want to miss Tesla. I think Tesla just found some support for the day. Found some support. I don't think it'll probably come on down. It's trading sideways. Anything under 800 was a little sketchy on Tesla for me, because it has the force to come on down a lot. Keep in mind, a lot of people set their stop losses at whole numbers like 800. So that's why it comes on down super fast. Look, under 800. Tuesday heading into Wednesday. Wednesday it sold off hard at 762. That's the day we lost, by the way. I think it bottomed out for the day. Might be wrong. Let's see. Nasdaq. Yep. NQ found some support. Looks like it wants to break past this level here. Can we see a retest of the previous resistance where it started falling off right here? No, we wait. Patience. Someone said. John Pumpernickel said sends. Let me see. Seen a lot of people talking. Ooh, I don't know, man. I feel like I'm chasing. My gut tells me I'm chasing if I buy here at $4. Let's see. I might be interested on this one under this price, under 430s, just because it'll be back around this range, $3-4. Yeah, ARK bought into PLTR. I follow the smart money, follow the big money. What do you think? Still a good buy? Palantir. Let's wait. It's starting its reversal. It bottomed out previous support level right around 24. It had that resistance like at $30. So I wouldn't be surprised if we pop up to $30 and maybe get rejected there and still trade around this level, 26, 27 bucks. So all patience from you guys. I'm very patient. That's something I've learned trading. Don't just chase. Don't just chase. Just because ARK bought in, don't just chase and follow them. That's a big catalyst though. So I'm gonna control emotions, just be patient. Maybe it could come on down. I could get in cheaper and cheaper price than they got in that. So patience. Facebook, interesting. Facebook's just been here at support at 264, has some side resistance at 274, hasn't really been moving. Definitely interested under this price. Let's see. Oh, it's coming on down again. Come on down, Tesla. See, still rejected, guys. 5 EMA, still coming down. Oh, it might come on down further. Sometimes Thinkorswim glitches with my alerts. It's really annoying. It won't sound off, and I'll miss trades because of that. If you guys use Thinkorswim and have this problem, It's not a good problem. Watch, let's see if it rings. It dings my. You guys might be able to hear it. It's coming down, coming down. Spot increments. 5 shares. Increments of 5 shares is fine. Let's see, support. Probably lowest it could come is 783. Oh, let's take a quick look at NQ. Ooh, that's a ugly candle. Tesla, come on down, Tesla. Let's see. Am I bounce here? Am I bounce? 789? Bounce to 790? Yep. Oh, damn it. Alright, more patience, more patience, more patience. There's no rush. NQ's probably bouncing too. Yep. That's called a bounce, my friends. This coffee's like nasty. First time adding hazelnut. I usually just like drinking black, but... Oh, did that bounce all the way to 790, 790.26? Not trusting that bounce. Not trusting that bounce. Yeah, you guys brought up some interesting stocks. FRX being one. You see how it hit 17? It wouldn't have been a bad idea to lock in half of the profits here and just wait for it to come on down. Walmart, let's see how that one's doing. Slowly moving. Let's get back into the 140 level. Walmart, come on. What was like that big catalyst Walmart had? I know there was bigger news. Didn't they have like a partnership with somebody? Or was it another company? Damn, Amazon's so expensive. We need a split on this bad boy. There it is, still getting rejected. We wait. Gotta hop on my thinkorswim. It's still trying to bounce off that previous bounce here, 788. Yep, it's still bouncing there. Ralph, how do you do all technical analysis on SPY? Same as well? Yeah, same analysis. I mean, look, we've been pushing to new highs, but every time we've had a pullback, we've bounced and just still continue that uptrend. So also keep in mind, wait for more stimulus news on that and more vaccine rollout and distribution. I think stimulus is the most important one that can still send these stocks flying up higher, which just completely blows my mind. But I'm still trying to stay mostly cash and just wait for opportunities like these where it pulls back crazy, but look how fast it recovers. Oh, this is what I want. I want panic. Create alert. Alright, let's have some alerts. My favorite hobby. Setting these alerts. Let's see. Comes on down. Oh, interesting. I want Jamie back at 50 though. CCIV. Another. I might add more to my Walmart position. Let's see, creep up. Let's get above this price. Yeah, I heard about yelling. Oh, there's NQ falling. Pulling back. Come on, Tessa. Follow. Follow. Yeah, she says she wants more stimulus. I think we will get more stim. The printer is not broken yet, fellow. Damn. Full spy. I don't want to get too excited if Tesla comes on down and like end up with like 30 shares. Because then if it really pulls back to 780, I know I'm not going to want to cut my losses. And it could get real ugly. It could get real ugly real fast. Thank you for bringing up that SPAC though, FRX. I'm really interested in this one. I wanted to come on down. $7.88. I've made this mistake before. You see how I switch stocks and it goes back to 25 shares? I've bought like accidentally 25 shares. I mean, you kind of want to sell right away because you get scared and you end up taking like a small loss. Usually that loss depends on how fast it pulls back. But you could change this number here, up here in setup. You could have a default. I think default's like 100 shares, but I don't want to do that. See, it's so close, man. So close to falling. 788.30 the bid. 788.21. Come on down 25. Bada beam, bada boom. Thank you. Pulling back. Where's my spy alert? Do you sell if a trade turns against you right after you buy it? Usually when it's like 5 shares, it's not a lot of it's not a lot of money that I'm down. So I'll just keep adding on the way down and I average down. As soon as it shoots up, I sell. But usually I'll make the mistake of just getting too excited and keep on adding. Like say right now if I buy like 15 shares here and it drops to like 784, then I'm really screwed. So right now I'm being very, very patient. I keep telling myself it's Friday, not the best performing day out of the week. Patience. See, it's bouncing slightly. So there will be days on Tesla. I've noticed that you see how it bounces like right after it cracked the support, like it's trying to bounce right now. But there would be days where this doesn't happen till like it pulls on way further. So that's what I'm scared of. For it to just sell off completely. Like this day on market open on Wednesday. This day was horrible. There was literally no bounce. It just kept on selling off. And that's what I'm afraid of. That's what I'm scared of. So just patience. There it is, 787. Let's just buy 5 shares. Fuck it. Let's see. Facebook is below. Interesting. So you see now it's bouncing. So usually before I would do more heavy trades. So right now I'm up like $4 or $5 on my 5 shares. Think about it. If you have 30 shares, do the math. But I've been very more cautious on Tesla. Ever since they had that Bitcoin investment, Tesla's been doing bad. So let's just hold these 5 shares. Not a lot. Let's see. Facebook. Oof. It kind of looks like a good deal to me. It's at support. Horrible, ugly candle on the 4-hour. Still weak. That's a weak bounce. See, it's a buy. Trade's about to go negative. See how EMA is looking on the 5-minute. 791. Let's get a bounce to 790. Let's see 790 on Tesla in the next minute. Let's give it a minute. Let's look at Sun W. In the meantime, Sunworks. Okay, this is what I see. Lower highs, still getting a little bit rejected at the EMA. I think the price to buy was like right around $15. I think you have to give this time for confirmation. So it might get rejected like at 1750. I don't see the play for me there yet. Now look at the history. Spike doesn't hold support. Spike doesn't hold support. Spike doesn't hold support. Spike doesn't hold. Let's find some new support. So let's just wait on this one. I'd possibly be interested in getting in under this price. Let's set another on this one. Did Tesla hit 791? We're about to see right now. Yep. See, this is where I sell. I'm up $10 on my 5 shares. Not bad. I could give it a little bit more room. I should have just sold the top here. Because look, it still has that resistance there. So I don't want to join Tesla for that ride. Sometimes it won't sell me on my limit, so I just move it down and it sells me. Let's see what it does. Oh, damn. So now we want to re-enter Tesla at a cheaper price. VCNX. What is the gut saying? Gap up. What was the catalyst on this one? Oh, I'm not liking it already. Look at the last time it gapped up. It did not hold its gains and it gapped down. So that's already telling me it's a red flag to me. Right now it's at $7. It might crack under 7 and come on down to $5. So not the most appealing chart to me, guys. Let's see. Announcing the signing of 2 multi-project deals with leading pharmaceutical companies focused on leveraging its. Oh, Tesla's back down. See, I'm glad I sold. This is why I always take my profits. Let's see. Set another alert. That's why I love technicals. You see how it's beginning rejected? That tells me, hey, it's not a stupid idea to take a profit and just sell, because there might be further momentum downward. EMA is still there, right around there. So if EMA can tie in up with Tesla at 787, Tesla finds some support, I'll buy and I'll hold. So we're just patience. What do you think about setting stop loss orders, or whether you'd rather just watch it? Yeah, someone asked me this question yesterday and I think it's very interesting. So it really depends on your strategy. So there'll be days where I love working out, so in like the next hour or so I'll go work out or I'll have a meeting. It's coming on down. But if I'm holding like 10 shares, it's not crazy. You know, my profit won't be crazy, my loss won't be crazy, but I just like having that peace of mind of setting a stop loss order. But for the most part, I'm here, I'm watching it. If it's like 50 shares, that's a pretty decent position for me to like watch it. I'll take some profit. I'll probably leave 10 shares, but for the most part, I don't set stop losses. I don't set stop losses unless I'm sure or my gut's telling me, hey, this might come down. But I feel like sometimes I could say like I'm addicted to it. You know, I'm constantly over my think or swim. I'm constantly checking it. So unless you're like in a meeting when you can't have your phone or you're in that situation where you can't access your broker, then it would make sense. But for me, I'm constantly getting alerts. You see how I set alerts? That kind of keeps me um like posted on where the stock's at. It gives me the idea, oh, it's in this trading range. What did we think earlier? This was support, this was the resistance, and look, Tesla's still coming down. So this is a weird day for Tesla, guys. It's a weird. Ooh, that was an ugly candle, 785. That would have been a good entry. I think now it's gonna bounce back up. It's bouncing. That would have been a hell of an entry. Too slow for it. But look at this interesting pattern. It's laddering down. What do you see here? Descending what? Triangle. Descending triangle. Lower highs, still support, boom, cracks. Patience, my friends, patience. Compared to yesterday, look at this huge pump, and then it dumped right after. Then it bounced. A lot of sideways trading, but we had some momentum there. Right now, it's just momentum downward. No problem, Cobra, no problem. Still coming down. Let's see if we could get in. Let's see if this candle closes under 785. That would be interesting. It's bouncing right now. Is it? 786. Let's see. Interesting. 7. Yeah, 787, man. That price here, that entry like around 785. See how, did you guys see that? Did you see how fast it peaked down at 785 and the candle went right back up? Those are like seconds right there. That's money. If you're trading, I mean, I'm just trading 5 shares. But imagine you're trading 1,000 shares. I don't think I have the emotion, that gut yet for that type of position. You have to get real comfortable. So now Tesla can probably pump to like 788 right now and still get rejected. And like I said, watch the EMA here. It's going to creep up and it's going to tie in here. And I think it could prop it back up. So that's my little ideology or plan for Tesla. SPY. Facebook? Slow mover. Interesting. Alibaba, CCIV, FRX. Brad, right? FRX. Did you lock in profits at 17 bucks? If you're still here, if you're still watching, did you lock in profits? There's that pump. Tesla 788. Possibly see 788 on Tesla right now. Something. No, I missed 17. Got some in like at 16. No, I'm saying like if you sold. You mean you sold, right? That's still not bad. 1630. Patience. 787. So we did not see 788 on Tesla. That tells me the bounces are getting weaker. So be very patient. Come on. So at this trading range, 785, we're kind of like at the mid-level we had yesterday. But compare this chart right now to Tesla yesterday. Look at this crazy spikes and these pullbacks we had. Yeah, I sold a few. Smart. Lock in half of the profits and ride the rest. Oh, look, it's still trying to find some support there. At 786. Still seeing some support. Does not want to come on down under. Slowly, GME. Let's get back to 500. I mean 50. Don't you guys love the markets? Like every day, it's just something new. It's like you don't know what you're gonna expect. It's like everything's just so random at times. So it's still trying to be at 787. It's going to retest. Oh, now it's coming. Now it's seen 788. Now it's coming to retest that previous resistance here. They didn't do it the first time. Second time it's bouncing. The market changed my life. Yeah, man. The market can change your life. It gives you that discipline. Even on the losing day. My biggest loss has been like the best thing that has ever happened to me in my life. Like you guys don't understand like what like losing 6 figures in like a day or so. It's like crazy. The pain is like it's unexplainable. W workhorse, is that workhorse, right? W, you got the wrong ticker. I think it's WKHS. I think that's what you meant. WKHS, workhorse. Workhorse. What is workhorse? They do the drones, right? They do drones. 4 hour. Okay, this one was a good play at this price when it pulled back. Now it's above EMA. See, like I feel like I'd be chasing it here at this price, bro. That's the thing about me. Like as I pay attention a lot to technicals, a lot. See, like at this price, if I buy right now at 34 bucks, I feel like I'm chasing. I feel like it's too high for me. Let's see if it comes down. 1 hour. So it fell from like 34 bucks. The last time I was at 34, it gapped up slightly and it pushed to 42. So let's see if it finds some resistance here. This might be some resistance. Let's see. Damn. Such a weird pattern on Tesla today. I'm not liking it. It's like it's predictable, but then again it's ugly. Last mile semi. Wait, what do you mean? Same. I bought in at 16, went out at 32. Yesterday? I don't. Oh, you got in at 6. I thought you said you traded it yesterday at 16. See, like at 16 bucks. Sometimes when stocks just consolidate, guys, when they consolidate like this for a while, it's gonna have a strong rip. And like it was testing, it spiked to the 20, pulled back, higher lows, higher lows. This is a good entry right here. This is a good pattern. And then it shot up. I don't see that play here. But good job on taking profits on this one. Good job. Sens, I think I covered it. I have my other under 430. So this is almost like the similar boat. Let's see if it can consolidate. Let's see if we can hold some support right around 430. Maybe still have some slight resistance around the whole number of 5. And then it shoots up. So you want that confirmation there. Just like Workhorse had. Let's go back to it really quick. Look at this consolidation from what is this, June. From like June all the way to like September. Consolidation. Higher lows. Still held the support. Spiked up a bit. Got rejected. Spiked up a bit. Got rejected. Still formed higher lows. Boom. Broke out. Look, Tesla shot up again. This might be the reversal. This might be the reversal. This might be the 5-minute EMA meeting right here. So that's what I was talking about. Let's see if it squeezes there. You had it for a while, and then it started dropping the last few days. So that 32. Yeah, you can never. One thing I'm gonna tell you guys: you never go broke taking profits. You never go broke taking profits. One of the worst things is having a profit and it turning into a loss. Those days just mess with your psyche. Like bad. Like I had a day, like a month ago. We were up like 800 bucks on Tesla. That day, we finished down 700. Crazy. Like your mentality is just like so mind blown after that. You start thinking, damn man, like that's greediness. Like did I not call my loss? Those days are the worst. That's worse than losing. That's worse than just making a bad trade, being green and then losing it. Horrible. So you always want to take those profits. And sometimes just stepping away. FRX forming that W. I don't kind of see a pattern here. Maybe a choppy head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and then maybe comes down to 15. I don't know. We'll see. See how the Nasdaq's doing. See how we're holding up. Still kind of sideways. Alrighty. This might be the time for Tesla. See how the 15's looking. Where's the EMA on the 15? Green candle on the 15. Should we do it? Should we pull the trigger? Sometimes better to take partial profits and watch. Yes, that's exactly what we mentioned earlier. Especially when it's hitting new highs. There's nothing wrong with just locking 75, 50% of those profits and just riding the rest. Looks like we have a confirmation of a reversal here on Tesla at 789. This might have been the bottom here. So let's see. Is it gonna break out? Is it gonna break out? Learning to take partial profits the hard way. And man, that's sometimes how you learn, man. People always tell me like, oh, should you paper trade? Yes and no. Yes, because you learn about your strategy and learn how to refine it. But you're not losing money you earned. There's no emotion there. It's not like when you lose your actual money when it starts to hurt. And pain changes you. Pain changes people. So 789. Look, there it is. That confirmation was here. We missed it on Tesla. Still on the 5-minute, testing that EMA. I'll probably get in on a pullback now. So now we wait for the pullback. This was a very odd pattern here. Like a failed descending breakout. Like I tried to pull back, try to break down, then it just reversed. Paper trading can be good, but people go all out on it. Yeah, I think I have my paper trading account, and I bought like AMD, Tesla, and I'm up like $500,000 on it. And I just sit on it. I just never touched it. Unlike people go all in, unlike they would with real money. Yeah, with real money you don't go all in. On the paper trading account I bought all in. On AMD, on Tesla, and I forgot what other stocks. And like on that account I'm up like $1 million. So I'm a millionaire on paper. On paper money. But yeah, when you lose on paper, you really don't get that lesson. It doesn't stick with you. Not until you lose real money. Tesla, are you gonna pull back or not? 790. Let's see. Let's peep the Nasdaq. Let's watch this bad boy. That's why Tesla pushed up. Nasdaq is going to retest that resistance here. See how Churchill. It's my Churchill at 60 bucks. Coming on down. Walmart. Still a little sideways. Hmm. Should we add more guys on this one? Should we add a little bit more? What do you guys think? Should we have like 5, 10 more shares on Walmart? This almost reminds me of Netflix. This almost reminds me of Netflix when it had that drop. I got burned on Netflix. When was it? When did we lose on this bad boy? Let me see. We lost. I don't remember. But it had a nasty pullback and it kept on dropping. It was like when it was like 400 bucks. Walmart. Because keep in mind, this is only the second day since it fell. So that's a mistake I made on Netflix. I traded like on the first day and it kept on falling. So Walmart has some support at 137. That's the price they rebounded before. That's why I'm a little confident. But if it comes on down and it just completely flops here at 139 and just finds some support at 130, that'll be bad. So this is only the second day. So I'm kind of hesitant to add more, but I kind of want to take that risk. Because remember, Alibaba had the same play over the weekend. Yeah, I think it fell on Thursday or Friday, and I said over the weekend people are gonna realize, holy shit, this thing's oversold. Let's buy it up. That's why it ran so fast too. I try to play Alibaba on the week. It uptrending and bouncing on the week. It bounced like the next day, like in a matter of a couple days, it was already up, back up. So oh, what? Tesla's dropping. So I'm kind of hesitant. I don't think Tesla's pulling back too hard. 5 minute, it saw that rejection here. Do I want to take that risk? Let's see. So let's wait. Let's just add 5 shares, right? Let's just add 5 shares. So it might come on down even more. I need to get a new LAN cable. This thing keeps on disconnecting on me. And that's why you guys have like this delay. It just disconnects. So I need to go buy one today. But any other stocks you guys want to cover before we end the stream? I don't think I'm gonna pull the trigger on Tesla. I'm kind of debating if I should just like hold on to 5-10 shares. We bought more on Walmart. We have 15 shares of Walmart. We're waiting on that. FRX, see if it comes on down. But we didn't have a ton of action on Tesla today. Not a lot of action. It's Friday, remember that. My camera's not showing. Interesting. It's pushing up. Damn it. MVIS. Let's take a look. Last ticker for right now. Microvision, 5 minute, pulling back, 15 minutes, still pulling back. Previous history doesn't hold its spikes, pulls on back, spike, pulls on back, drops, spike, pulls on back. Still on an uptrend on the 4 hour. It's still getting rejected here. So I'm interested under 17. The daily. Yeah, if you weren't in like at $4 or $5 on this one, I don't think it'll be smart to get in at 18. So I like getting the deals, you know, as it drops. But little Tesla update. It's starting to bounce now. I still wouldn't really trust Tesla right now. So I'm not gonna swing trade it though. So I think that's pretty much it. No more tickers, nothing else. One more. I'll probably be streaming every day on Twitch. It'd be on Twitch. So if you guys aren't in our Discord, check the link pinned in the chat. Other than that, I would see you guys on Monday. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in the chat right now, by the way. I'll be in the chat. Peace out, guys.